Pittsburgh Roofing done right begins with a team you can reach when clouds roll in. At My Pittsburgh Roofing, our motto is no leaks, no worries. That's the whole joke. An A+ BBB rating and GAF Master Elite certification prove we treat rooftops more than seriously than a punchline. Hundreds of 5-star reviews and easy in-house financing show we respect your budget too. Book your free estimate today and let your roof relax. Let's face it, Pittsburgh weather is a tough on roofs. From heavy snow to summer storms, your roof takes a beating. Leaks, missing shingles, and water damage aren't just inconvenience, they are costly. Ignoring those issues can lead to bigger problems down the line. That's where My Pittsburgh Roofing comes in. We start with a detailed inspection to identify the root of the problem. Our GAF Master Elite certified team ensures top quality workmanship using advanced techniques and top-tier materials to prepare your roof. We handle everything, from installation to cleanup, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Our comprehensive warranties, including the GAF Silver and Golden Pledge options, offer peace of mind for years to come. And with flexible financing options, quality roofing is within reach for everyone. Ready to protect your home or business with the best in Pittsburgh Roofing? Reach out now to schedule a free estimate and experience the My Pittsburgh Roofing difference.